So guys, I'm at City Park. You can see us here, and we'll be leaving soon for GURARA Waterfall.
Our conductor. Yes. Hola.
Yeah, so we'll be leaving for GURARA Waterfall. Can't wait to be at Mina.
Some sort of pain. Determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. Don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-A-I-F-E right in your side. You will never see me coming. Don't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble.
So guys, we are at Niger State. We all are getting ready. As you can see the people here. And yeah, we're going to the GURARA Waterfall. But then I thought I should make this video. Everybody's trying to some persons are taking pictures. See them. Hey. Yeah, so that's it. Everybody's warming up to go to see the GURARA Waterfall, and me, I can't even wait. Like
that are mounting a boundary for us. You mustn't please them, please. The tag is where we grant you access to the waterfall, the GURARA Waterfall. When I say please, we are going into the waterfall shortly. Are you with me?
make sure you're counted so you don't get missed.
87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94.
GURARA is very stunning, especially during the rainy season when it expands. This waterfall has been known since 1745, originating from Kaduna State, and it still holds a connection of two deities, with a shrine known as Rara and Gura, which reflects the origin of this waterfall's name, representing a female and male aspect. Do you know that there is a shrine beneath the water? And there are lots of fishes in this waterfall. I'm actually going a better view. Let's go see the source of this water. Where the water started, as you can see, from here, it goes down. This is down there. So while I was busy admiring how neat this water is, there are some guys out there catching fishes. Journey from Abuja to Niger and not enter this water. Never. It was a nice experience. So that's it. Going back to Abuja. Whew. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe.